Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy coming in for the weekly tip. And today's tip is on how you can actually change your Market Center DBA information if it's displaying the incorrect info on your website. So what you want to do is obviously sign into your command account and then go under the website's applet on the left-hand side. All right, this is going to take you to the back end of your website section where you can manage your website, you can access Kitty Answers, but at the top right, there's going to be an option for Manage Settings. All right, and as you can see, manage your contact information, personal detail preferences, social media, referral links, and subdomain preferences, or subdomain settings, my apologies. So I'm going to click on Manage Settings on here. And when I look at that, it's going to show our Market Center brokerage name. And then on here, we can actually see, all right, which one is the main one we're utilizing, which one is going to be the primary office on here, if there are multiple ones to choose from. But if you're seeing yours is incorrect, you can click on this and select Add Custom Office. All right, so when I add inside the custom office, I can now go through and add inside the information like we could before for our office name. I can add inside our logo. I can add inside the office phone number, address on here, license number. This will all be accessible for me to use. So I'm going to put inside just a fake one on here right now. So Keller Williams Realty. Oh, awesome. I'll add inside a logo on here too. All right, and now that I've got the logo on here, just went and add that real quick. I can put inside the brokerage information. All right, so if I want to go through and add inside the brokerage info on here, I can do that immediately. So I'm just going to put in, once again, some fake information, 123 Main Street. Awesome, and sure, let's go over here. Perfect. All right, so I can save this right away. All right, and once I save, as you can see, website and marketing settings were saved on here. So now I've got the custom office that I can utilize as well too. All right, so this is one way to update this immediately if you are running into some issues where your information is not displaying correctly. So hopefully very soon it'll pop up with the proper information for you right away. But if you do want to add inside a custom office, you're more than welcome to do that immediately too. So there you go. So that is your tech tip for the day.